And then
what? You like it this thick? I just drew. Did I draw on camera?
Yes, you did.
That's gonna be the start of my video. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, That Chocolate Vegan, with me, Erin Wells, and you read that title correctly. Today we're making creamy white chicken lasagna. Let's get started. For our chicken today, we're going to be using 2 cans of jackfruit that I picked up from Trader Joe's. As you can see, I've already drained and rinsed these bad boys. Let's go ahead and prepare our lasagna noodles. Back to our jackfruit, we're going to put a little oil in our cast iron pan just to coat the bottom. Now we're going to take our jackfruit and arrange it along the bottom. Alright, I'm going to do this in 2 batches because I don't want to overcrowd the pan. To give the jackfruit a chicken taste, we're going to be using Montreal chicken seasoning, one of my new faves. I'm going to toss that all over the jackfruit, guys. My oven is on 350 and I'm going to roast these for about 10 to 15 minutes. Alright guys, it has been 15 minutes and I just took out our jackfruit. Let me focus it for you. So I'm going to flip it and cook it for 5 more minutes. Both sets of my jackfruit are out of the oven, so I'm going to combine them. And then I'm going to get a potato masher and shred them like chicken. Alright guys, you see how that easily resembles shredded chicken. I'm going to give this a taste and see if we need to add more seasoning.
Yes, we do.
I'm going to add some more Montreal seasoning, some pink salt, and some pepper. Stove is on medium. Let's start off with a 1/2 cup of butter that don't want to come out. 1/2 cup chopped onion. 1 tablespoon of chopped garlic. Giving that a stir. I'm actually going to add in another 1/2 cup of onion, so make that 1 cup onions. We're going to let these cook down until tender. I'm going to go ahead and add in a 1/2 cup of all-purpose flour. Now we're going to add in 2 cups of veggie broth. Alright, my sauce is starting to thicken. Go ahead and add in this whole bag of daiya mozzarella, cutting board series. Not gonna lie to you guys, I don't like that this is yellow. That vegetable broth was the first vegetable broth I've ever seen that's yellow.
Thanks, Trader Joe's. You just messed up my white chicken recipe.
I'm gonna go ahead and turn this heat off, guys. I'm actually gonna add in a little bit more broth because this is too thick for my liking. Let's do a 1/4 cup of more broth. I'm gonna add in a couple fresh leaves of basil, some salt, and pepper. Give that a mix. This is still too thick. Good grief. First time y'all did not test this recipe, so let's see how it tastes. I'll thin it out again. That's really good. More veggie broth. I think more salt. Alright, so we are up to 2.5 cups of broth. More salt. I was saving the Parmesan for the toppings, but I think a little inside of the sauce would be good as well, just to punch up the flavor. So let's do a 1/4 cup of Parmesan inside of our cheese sauce. We had 3 cups of broth. 3 cups of broth, y'all. 3 cups of broth. Or what I should have done, looking back now, is less flour. But if you're still following along, we had 3 cups of broth. Oh, I think that did it right there. I think 3 cups of broth is gonna do it. Alright, we have our baking dish. It's a, I don't know, but here's my hand for reference size. Start off with our sauce on the bottom. Take our beautifully ugly lasagna noodles. No, they're just ugly. Layer that on. Take our chicken / our jackfruit. Trying to take out some of these seeds, y'all. Some spinach. And it's actually spinach and kale mix because I didn't read the box. Then we're gonna take some vegan ricotta I made last night. I will definitely show you guys how I did that. This recipe will also be down below, guys, but you're definitely going to take 2 cups of soaked cashews. You're going to take a half a cup of milk, some oil, 2 cloves of garlic, some agave, some basil leaves, salt, and pepper, and you're going to blend it all into your blender. Now, usually I would use a splash of lemon juice. I just forgot it. I do remember when I first made this recipe, which that will also be linked down below, you would see me putting lemon into the blender. Now, here I am repeating all the layers that you guys already saw. So you're going to put some more noodles, some more jackfruit, some more, just repeat. That's literally what's happening here. Repeat your layers. Okay, so I cooked way too many lasagna noodles. I didn't know. I did not know. Clearly I only used like what, 9 or 10? I cooked the whole pack. So I'm just gonna top this with some more of the cheese sauce, and then I'm gonna cover it with another bag of vegan mozzarella and parmesan. I'm just gonna sprinkle that all on top to cover all of our sins. And then we're gonna also sprinkle some of the parmesan on top.
Yes, I am making a mess. Thank you for noticing.
Alright, so let's pop this bad boy in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes. So guys, I took the lasagna out of the oven. My taste test was on time, so I ain't had time to taste it without them. So we all gonna taste it together. This is
Anika
and
Donovan.
Alright, so I can already tell y'all this look real saucy. Like, can it autofocus? There you go. It looked all saucy, so I added an extra noodle to everybody's plate just in case we needed it. The sauce too thick for me. It tastes good. I like the taste. It's thick. She's thick.
I mixed my extra noodle in, so
that's probably.
I think I like
that
it
helps.
how it is.
Trying to get a jackfruit. Are you getting the jackfruit? Anybody got that in there yet? A bite?
And I like the texture of the spinach that didn't really totally all cook down.
Not my favorite, and I made it. I'm not.
What's wrong with it?
I'm not loving it. I don't know, baby. I'm used to red sauce lasagna.
Boo.
Divas.
I don't know.
Y'all, it's good. It's good.
It's
I don't
not-
know what a problem
It is good.
It's good.
So you never,
It's good.
It's my first
like
time
back in
making
the
it.
day, the Kroger Stouffer's, the white lasagna.
I don't know if
with
I
the chicken.
ever. Did I make
Well,
that?
first of all, I'm pleasantly surprised because you said white lasagna and I was like, oh, I ain't gonna have no season. So it actually tastes good, so that's already a bonus. That's all right.
All right.
I like it.
I'll take it.
No, this
Not my favorite.
If this
Not
is
my
at the
favorite.
pop-up, I buy it.
Okay.
But I'm not buying biscuits.
Ooh, you got a whole pan too. I can take some home.
You got a whole pan. I'm so full, y'all. It's so big. Oh my god. That's what he said.
It's
I'm
good
trying to
stuff.
taste my jackfruit. I'm really trying to get in here. It's covered by so much sauce. You don't even taste
Yeah.
my
I've
That's
never
good.
had jackfruit, so this is good to me. I was always nervous about eating jackfruit. I was worried about the
Don't let the
texture.
name throw you off, yeah. I didn't mean it like that.
It was the texture of the jackfruit.
Yeah.
All right, I'm just chewing on camera at this point. All right, y'all. If you want to make this, make it. My recommendation: thin out the sauce, use less flour. You saw what I did. Don't do that. So until next time.
No, do that. Fix as is, and then you can modify according
Right.
to your
If
taste.
you don't, right, modify
Because
according to your taste. Aaron don't.
2
like
out
it.
of 3. Thumbs up.
Anika's done.
Miss Vegan Diva.
As always.
You gotta change the chocolate Vegan Diva.
I'm just you. Well, of course I'm the most picky I've made. Whatever. Bye, y'all. Bye. As always, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'll see you next time. Peace.